Let's bake this delicious chicken, this butterfly chicken. So guys, as I said before, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be butterflying this old chicken to be roasted. So I've seen, you know, this on YouTube. I've seen, I don't remember what's the name of the guy's channel, and I've also seen a girl, but I definitely remember seeing it on Terry&'s Kitchen. So I decided, yeah, I'm going to try this. I've tried chicken whole roasted before, and of course I've tried even cutting the chicken once, cleaning up the chicken, and then, you know, tying the chicken back together. But today I'll be doing this butterfly style. I hope I do it right, so you guys will be here to witness and see it. All right, so I have a 4-pounder right here, and I have not cleaned up as you can see. Still have like the small feathers and some skins and all of these things. So after I cut the chicken, I'll be removing all of this by using, you know, lemon, and also soaking it into some white vinegar and water. So they say that I should cut on either side of the backbone right here, and this right here is the backbone. I hope these are sharp enough. I'm just going to be doing each side interchangeably as I go along. Can you tell that my scissors is dull? It's really dull. And it's not that hard to cut, guys. It's just that this scissors that I'm using is extremely dull. Almost there. Ooh, so one side down. Guys, something about this side not allowing me to be great, so I'm going to just try to see if I can cut in it from the top a lot easier. All right, there we go. I need to get a sharper scissors though. Definitely going to need to be ordering one. Oh guys, I think I'm going to call Omar for a little manpower. Babes, come help me. So there it is, guys. Omar's finally got it off for me, although I did most of the work. He only did like quarter.
Sorry for people.
So guys, this is my chicken, so I need to get a knife to cut right here. Let me go and get my knife. So guys, Omar really don't like me telling you guys the truth that I did most of the work. I'm all up in them feelings. So take this part out. So this is it, guys. So as you see, I just use the knife to just cut on this little, is it the rib, this little chest bone right here. So this is the chicken, and I'm going to just go ahead right now and just clean up this chicken. But first, let me remove this part. You know, this part normally when you're roasting the chicken, all you want this part to keep in the legs, but I don't think I'll be needing this part right now, so let me just throw that away. Guys, but this was actually pretty easy and also pretty fast, because despite the fact that the scissors was like squeezing my finger because it wasn't as sharp as I would want it to be, it still was pretty easy. And you know, this is my backbone, and I am a bone fanatic. Like, anybody knows me, like if I go to the pork shop, I'm going to tell them to buy jerk pork. I'm going to tell them that I need bone part. I'm just going to go ahead now and clean up my chicken. Look how sexy that chicken is. Look how sexy. Oh my god, so beautiful. So guys, let us wash this chicken now, because you know, washing your meat is a Caribbean must, like must, to get rid of most of that rawness and also whatever impurities might be on the meat. It is good to always wash your meat. So guys, chicken is all cleaned up, you know, still seeing a little here now and then, but you can't escape that. You just have to clean as you go along, but for the most part it is looking beautiful, and I've damped it dry. So we're going to season now, and I'm just using some vegetable oil because I want my chicken to get that crispy, crunchy, not saggy bake or roast. Alright, so I'm starting with this side, so when I flip around it will be easier. So the oil, then I'm going to put some black pepper. That should be good. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of salt because I'll be using my homemade all-purpose seasoning, and this is already salty, so I'm just going in with a little bit of this salt right here. Just going to go in with some thyme that I've just, you know, just taken off the sprigs. Just take the leaf off as best as possible, because these things can be a bit difficult, so just a little time. All-purpose seasoning, look at that. All the good stuff in this. Pimento, paprika. The link will be below, guys, of the seasoning, different seasoning that are in my all-purpose seasoning. So guys, I will know. Then you have my homemade green seasoning. The link will also be below, or you can make your homemade green seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. Look at this, guys. Beautiful, right? So I use the spoon to just spread it because I don't want to get the seasoning on my hand. So I'm just going to go and wash this off now, because each time you're using your green seasoning you need a new spoon so your seasoning can stay fresher for longer. So new spoon again. And we will just be flipping our sexy chicken. A little bit of oil on this side as well. Can't forget about my backbone. So same procedure as before, a little black pepper, a little salt, little thyme, little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. And remember, I said I have to be really careful with this because this is really salty. So guys, my chicken is out of the oven, and my chicken was roasting for about an hour and 15 minutes thereabout. So this is perfect. Yes, look at that. This is ready to eat. This is also delicious. Guys, I can't wait to dish my dinner and just have this. Do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Until then, lovies. Wow, good.